Yun guys, I hope you can appreciate it. Actually, ang kinukuha natin, yung samsung.com.ph na yon is yung maliit dito, nakasulat dito. Ito yun guys, I just want to show it to you. Ito yun. Close pa si SM. Close si SM. Close si SM. Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, nakikita nyo guys, close si SM. Bakit kaya? First time ko tong makita, close si SM. Dahil yan guys, the time is around 8 AM and nandito po tayo ngayon sa SM City Clark. And we were invited by Samsung for a watch party. So ano ba yung watch party? Hindi ito yung watch na relo, no guys? So they have an activity right now. They are going to unpack the all-new Samsung Galaxy S23. Later on, mahahawakan natin yung unit, matetest natin siya. Malalaman din natin through yung mga videos, yung mga presentations, kung ano ba yung mga bagong features ng phone na to. If you wanna know more about this, guys, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! So, on hand, finally. So kanina guys, napanood natin yung video that was recorded earlier. So kaninang madaling araw yon sa USA, and a few hours later, pinanood namin siya dito, napakaaga. For this time guys, let's talk about the specs, and later on, tatry natin mag-vlog. Hello ma'am, hello ma'am.
Hi!
So ini S23 Ultra, shooting for the first time, S23 Ultra. Using the front cam, ayan, the front camera. Alright, so you tell us guys, how is the look? How's the feel? This time, yung rear camera naman natin, I'm using yung 1x lens natin. So this is video test. How is the sound quality? Kumusta ba yung mga ambient noise na napipick up niya, or yung pinaka voice ko mismo, no? So, how's the quality? What I mean, ayan. So this is it. Let me see if yung shake niya. So roaming around, checking the quality. Ayan, ito yung ano natin, mga crew and staff natin na earlier sobrang nag-enjoy sila dun sa watch party natin. So testing now yung 3x. Here's the 3x telephoto. Ayan. So yun yung camera natin. 3x telephoto. Okay, so trying out the 10x naman na telephoto natin. Yun. How is it? Ito yung sample natin for the 10x. Ang ganda guys. So meron pang details. Look at the yung eyes, mga pupil. Look at the fingers. Napaka details pa rin ng natin, ng camera natin. How about that? Warm, bright, darker. Grabe, I must say, for the size nung display natin, it's 6.8 inches. Ang laki nito. Actually, di ko alam kung saan ako titingin dito sa screen na to. Pero it's really huge, no, for the display natin. So this is testing yung video camera niya dito sa front facing. How is the sound? How is the quality? So let me just adjust yung brightness natin. Darker. I think this is, ayan, mas maganda to. Yun. Trying out for the first time yung front facing camera. So trying out naman yung photo. Yung photo natin guys. So notice meron tayong 0.6x, 1, 3 at saka times 10. Now, if you notice, as soon as I shoot dito and transfer or move dun sa mga lenses, dito sa right side, meron tayong mga options for the zoom. No? So, notice, meron tayong 0.6, 1, 2, 3, 10, 30, up until 100 times na zoom. So, let's check yung quality ng 100 times na zoom. Let's try kung mababasa pa natin yung... There you go. Ayan guys, enjoy your Look at that. Oh man, that is so crisp. So what I'm trying to shoot, guys, is screen natin this one. I'm trying to read kung ano yung nandun, no? So this is the power of the 100 times zoom. Notice, and nababasa pa natin siya. Experience. Look at that. Yun, no? Kaya pa natin basahin yung pinakababa niya. Samsung. Yun guys, I hope you can appreciate it. Actually, ang kinukuha natin, yung samsung.com.ph na yun is yung maliit dito, nakasulat dito. Ito yun guys. I just want to show it to you. Ito yun. Alright, so another great thing that you can actually enjoy for yung mga Samsung users dito sa SM City Clark is the U-Make. So this is actually one of the 9 mga U-Make places in the entire Philippines. Now what you can do here, for example, meron tayong mga covers, you can accessorize them with some stickers, and at the same time meron din tayong printing and engrave. So yun yung gagawin natin, patetest natin si Wern Pampanga, and then from there you can actually, yun nga, you can personalize your covers. You can make it more memorable. At least pag hawak mo, talagang enjoy na enjoy yung unit mo. So yeah, this is it. This is U-Make. It is actually inspired by you because you design it. I think that was it. Thank you so much Samsung for inviting me sa watch party ninyo. I did enjoy it with the games, with the announcement and training. That was really fruitful dahil and productive as well, no? And to those of you who are interested to check this out, meron po silang pre-order promo. You gotta check out kung ano yung pre-selling promo nila dun sa fan page ng FONERange and Samsung SM City Clark. So there you have it. This is just a quick unboxing ng bagong-bagong Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Go check it out. Thank you so much Samsung. Peace out. Bye guys.